Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, we will see the top 7 online business ideas in 2020. If you want to make money from your home, stay tuned till the end. But before moving further, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update of our channel. Let's dig to see. International students are not always to work off campus unless they are an OPT or they go to a school that provide full-time CPT. So when receiving money online, make sure you use your home country bank account or get paid cash. Let's dig to see online business ideas in 2020. Number 1. SEO Consultant. If you know the ins and outs of search engines and have technical skills in platforms like Google Ads and Google Analytics, becoming an SEO consultant could be lucrative. Many small business owners don't realize how much of an impact search engine optimization, SEO, can have on their business. Start your online consulting business by educating those business owners on the power of SEO to transform their websites and increase their conversion rates. You can use your marketing skills to show business owners the benefits of using analytics data, strategic keywords, and content structure to gain more organic web traffic. If you are unfamiliar with SEO or want to brush up on your digital marketing skills, you can refer to Moz's Beginner Guide to SEO. Keep in mind that Google's algorithms are always changing, so you will need to continue your education on SEO to stay relevant and thriving in this field. Now moving to number 2, Small Business Consultant. If you have a great deal of business experience and knowledge, why not create a business that helps aspiring entrepreneurs succeed? As a business consultant, you can use your skills to help new business owners get off to a good start and help experienced entrepreneurs keep up with demand. Your chances of success are higher if you focus your strategy on a niche aspect of business consulting. To add to your credibility, demonstrate your expertise and bring in clients. It is helpful to be present in the digital business community. You can contribute to small business communities like business.com or write business articles on platforms like LinkedIn. The next online business idea is number 3, Social Media Consultant. Larger enterprises can hire an agency or full-time staff member to run their social media accounts. But small businesses often have to handle social media marketing. With so many responsibilities, business owners are often too busy, overwhelmed, or undereducated about the importance of a social media presence to spend time developing and implementing a great social media strategy. As a social media consultant, you can help small businesses determine the best tactics, posting schedules, and content for their target audience. As their follower count grows, so will your business. Facebook and Twitter are still the top business networks, but businesses often struggle with more visual platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Snapchat. These platforms have substantial consumer audiences, but many businesses don't realize how big they are, how effective they can be, and how to make them work for their brand. If you have a background in social media marketing and a passion for photography, focusing your consulting business on one specific platform, like Instagram, can be a great way to make money while helping other businesses improve their content and achieve their business goals. Now moving to number 4, Niche Market E-Commerce Retailer. There's an audience for everything, even if it's as specific as dollhouse furniture or organic dog food. With a niche e-commerce site, you can reach customers who seek specific products. Building a business in a niche market can help you differentiate yourself from other brands and build your credibility and expertise. Look to social media or your consumer needs to come up with a product to sell on your online store. To get your e-commerce business up and running, all you need is a hosting web service with an integrated shopping cart feature or e-commerce software. To simplify the shipping process, you can work with vendors to ship products to customers on your behalf. This can reduce the amount of inventory you need to keep on site. Let's dig into number 5, a web designer or web developer. If you are a creative, digital professional who thrives on forming the layout, visual theme, font set, and color palette of a website, freelance web design may be the right path. If you have little to no experience in this field, you can learn the basics of web design and master the tools you'll need for success, like Adobe XD, Chrome DevTools, and text editor software. If you are more interested in the coding side of building websites, freelance web development might be your wheelhouse. If you already know HTML, CSS, or JavaScript and have a right eye for solving creative solutions, you can launch a service to build attractive, easy-to-use websites for small businesses. If you need to learn the basics of web development before launching your full-stack career, you can take a simple beginner's course. Put your technical and creative skills to good use for business owners who want to take their online presence to the next level. Build a comprehensive portfolio and then create your website to show it off and attract a steady stream of clients. Now, moving to the next. Number 6, Blogger. Blogging may seem like an outdated business strategy since nearly everybody already has one, but the competition should not deter you from starting this online business journey. If you love writing or have vital information to share, blogging may be profitable for you. Starting a blog as a business is very simple with website builders like Weebly and WordPress, but the key to success is consistency and quality. To gain a steady following, you must continually write and produce high-quality content that provides value to your readers. Content that educates, informs, or entertains your readers gives them a reason to follow you. Once you've mastered the creation of consistent content, you can make money through your blog by selling products like online courses, digital coaching, ebooks, or webinars. You can also sell ad space or sponsored posts. This business strategy may take a little more time and effort to monetize, but it can be very profitable. The last online business idea in today's video is number 7, virtual assistant. If you have impeccable organizational skills and task management abilities, then you can put those skills to good use by becoming a virtual assistant. VA services typically consist of basic administrative tasks like entering data, making travel arrangements, and answering phone calls. Previous experience in the field is ideal but not required. Platforms like TaskRabbit and Zirtual make it easy for VA professionals to find jobs. They allow you to create an online profile and sign up for tasks you want to complete, such as data research, virtual assistants, or necessary errands, and begin building clientele. So guys, these were the ideas for online business. I hope you will dig into something valuable and outstanding for your future. Wish you the best of luck. And if you liked the video, do give a thumbs up and show your support in the comments section below. See you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling.